Hello my friend, it's Will here over at Pips and Gains, and today I want to introduce you into a trading tool that I use to completely automate my weekly swing positions. It is my trade management robot, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to access it absolutely free. So make sure you watch till the end of this video. There's no catch. I'm just going to basically show you how it all works and then share with you how to access it absolutely free. So let's get into the video. This is also the setup video for clients that actually are using my weekly swing positions. Now what this robot does, it manages my positions for me. One of the biggest things that make my weekly swing trades function and work so well is the break even point, and sometimes it is hard to be in the markets at the exact time when the break even amount of profit gets hit. So this trade management tool solves that problem for us, and it also makes sure every position is closed at the end of the trading week. You can also use this trade management tool in your own trading methods if you do have break-even strategies, or you are trading prop firms and you want your trades closed before the weekend or at the end of any given trading day. This EA will help you with that. So what I'm basically going to share with you now is actually how it works. Now I'm sure you already know how to load the EA into your MT4 platform. Just go download the EA, open data folder, and then you want to be saving that in the MQL4 experts tab. Okay, so I've already loaded this onto my chart, and now what we want to see is the settings on the EA. So this is the settings. Very basic but powerful tool, and I really hope you can use it to benefit your trading. Now for my weekly swing positions, I like my distant set at 80 to 100 pips. So I just set it at 80, and partial close means what will actually happen is when the EA, when any position on the account moves 80 pips in profit my direction, the EA will then close 50% of the position and then move the stop loss to the entry price, thus creating a risk-free trade. It will then leave all the positions open till the end of the trading week, and any positions that are open on a Friday evening, well, even time in Asia here where I am, I will have my end hour set at 8 p.m. in Asia. Make sure you have the end time set by the server. So wherever your server time is, I'll show you how to get that in a minute. Make sure you set that with your server time. Okay, if it's GMT, if it's Eastern Standard Time, just you want to be checking that. So that's the settings you want to be doing if you're using my weekly swing positions. And what I'm going to show you with now how it actually works. So just going to do that at 1 pip, and I'll share with you how the trades work. So first up, the server time is down the right. It should be down the right here for some reason. Yeah, it should be down the right hand side where it says connection status. Your server, whatever server you're in, should be there. You'll be able to tell by the time of your candlesticks too. Okay, so my server is GMT, so I set my EA to GMT time, which is around 3 p.m. on a Friday afternoon, is when I like to have all my positions closed. So just going to share with you how it actually works. Just going to enter some positions. So I'll just hit sell on that. I'll just pull that up. Hit buy. Sell. Buy. Buy. Some ones that kind of move in the Asian session. So we can see a quick working in action here. Aussies. Just check the settings. Got allow live trading on. Make sure you have this all set like this. Allow DLL imports, allow live trading. Then the inputs. Okay, I've got mine just for the minute set at one pip. So I just want to see any of these go into 1 pip in profit. And what you will notice is it will start to close 50% of positions and move the stop loss to the entry price. So Kiwi's another one that kind of moves in this session. Okay. So I want to see something moving here. Okay, so there you go. So that's hit 1 pip in profit. It's closed 50% of the position and moved the stop loss to the entry price. Okay, so you can see it working. This here will likely start to work all the way along here. So very, very basic tool. Now, what we want to do now is see if it actually works and closes all positions at the given time. So that is 7. So we want to do 7:01. 7:1. Okay, today's Tuesday. Hit OK. What we should see on the next candle that opens, 1 minute candle, that all these positions will close automatically. Now you do not need to add this to every single chart. It will manage all the positions on your account from the one chart. So just need to load it onto the one chart. Make sure auto trading is turned on, and there we go. Everything closes. Okay, my friends, so that is the trade management tool. To access it absolutely free, there is a link in the description area of this video, or if you're on the sign up page, what you need to do is simply enter your name and email into the box on the right or the left of you, and you receive an email with the EA download in it. So that is the trade management tool. I hope it works for you. Hope it greatly benefits your trading. I know it does for my weekly swing positions. And yeah, thanks for watching. Well over at Pips and Gains, and enjoy the free tool.